Watching
I am Ricky Coo,
Bride Wars.
of dance.
It's like 2 in the morning. Can't even sleep.
I bring you rhythm.
But I can't watch the movie because this guy right here snoring. He's loud. I have to turn the TV up to 30. You guys hear that? Wake up. You are snoring so loud. What are you doing, bro? I can't even watch the movie. I'll let you go back to sleep, though. Okay? Just keep it down.